Hey! SyncNex here. In today's video we are gonna show you that how you can boost up your laptop performance in just minutes. So let's start, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on search bar, then search for settings. In settings, go to your PC about section. Here click on advanced settings. In performance tab click settings and then choose adjust for best performance option. Click on apply and close the tab by clicking OK. Now on your keyboard press Windows plus R and then type %temp%. Here you will see all the unusable temporary files. Just select all and delete them. If an pop-up appear, select skip option. Again go to settings app. Then go for storage tab. Here you will see temporary files tab. Select and remove all the temporary files. Again press Windows plus R on your keyboard and type MRT. And click on next button. This will scan all your laptop and will delete all the malware and viruses which degrade your laptop performance. At last go to settings and search for storage. Here turn on storage sense option. This will help your laptop to automatically delete unwanted files and keep drive storage free. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content. See you in next video.